how to turn on product updates notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on product updates notifications on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok. Here you will find profile, click on it and then click these three lines in the top corner. Here you will find settings and privacy, click on it. And now click push notifications, scroll down until you find email notifications, and here you will find this one, product updates. Now just click on it if you want to turn it on, and as you see, product updates have been turned on. Now go back and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.